How we doing, folks? James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 2017 BMW 3 Series 330e M Sport. It comes in this blue metallic finish with the LED lighting up front, the M Sport front bumper, the front parking sensors, the BMW kidney grille with the silver trim. Coming around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging. You have the black trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin antenna on top, the eDrive badging on the side. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 330e badging, the twin exhausts, the automatic trunk, the LED rear lights, and the rear parking sensors. Now folks, let's take a look at the interior. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the multifunctional paddle shift BMW M Sport steering wheel, the BMW iDrive system on board, the automatic transmission, the manual handbrake. This car is fitted with a sports mode, a comfort mode, an Eco Pro mode, and a Sports Plus mode. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a blue M Sport stitch, surrounded by the black and blue trim. Fully electric windows, automatic lights, automatic rain sensors. The BMW SOS service system, the M Sport suspension, the 360 degree parking sensors, Bluetooth hands-free audio, the eDrive service, the extended storage, rear view mirror dimming, automatic dimming, and many other extras. Now that was just a quick look around this 2017 BMW 3 Series 330e M Sport. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.